Alright y'all, we are going to start off here at the power trim and tilt, and what we got to start doing is loosening up that bleeder screw. That way we can move this motor up and down without the trim and tilt actually working. Then now that we got it up, we will loosen up that bleeder screw right there, and we will fill it up with some of the power trim and tilt fluid, and then we will see if she works. So I'm going to put you on a time lapse and you guys can see what's going on. Alright guys, so it took me about 10 minutes to get the bleeder screw out. I ended up having to use a drill to get it out, but I would advise against that unless you totally have to. So what we will be doing now is adding in the power trim and tilt fluid, or some people use automatic transmission fluid. And how you do that is you can just get it in, I think, a 1 quart bottle, and then you can buy a little pump from Walmart, AutoZone, Home Depot. You know, a lot of these places have them. And you pump it in through that, and then once we're done with that, we'll put the cap back on, or the screw back in, and we will test out the power trim and tilt, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so now we got all the power trim and tilt fluid in it, so now I'm going to test it, as you can see, and there we go, it's going up and down like it should. So I'm going to do that a few times, and then what I'll do is I'll go back to the motor and take off the bleeder screw again, add a little more fluid in it to top it off, and then I'll tighten the bleeder screw, and then you are all set and good to go. Alright, so as of now, I am putting in the last little bit of the power trim and tilt fluid, and then I will put the bleeder screw back on, and that will be it. As you can see, I got some in my mouth, which is not good, so just be careful, guys, and that's how you do it. Alright, y'all, so we got it all fixed. We might have spilt a little bit, but hey, that's what we do best, right? So I added the fluid, as y'all can see, it was moving up and down, so let's get on to the next project.